Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada International Student Magazine. My name is Tracy. As an international student who need to pass the IELTS test in order to get accepted into a college, I totally understand how difficult and frustrating it is to get IELTS. So today we will share with you some tips, especially in listening part. I know this is like one of the most extremely tricky part, so let's get into it. So tip number one, in the listening module, if you don't understand something in the audio, just don't freak out. Go to the next question because there is a chance you might lose the following question too. So just go back to the question you didn't catch. There might be some hint for you so you can guess from other question because sometimes the answer might be repeated. So tip number two, besides listening to the test, there are so many amazing resources for you to practice the listening skill. For example, you can watch Netflix, YouTube, listening to audiobook or postcards. That is just kind of like an amazing way to learn English in a fun way. So you can actually pick any topic that you like, you enjoy like to listen. For example, car, beauty, cosmetic, fashion, something like that. Yeah. And when you get started, it's might a little bit difficult because they have some word that you don't understand. So just keep the transcript or like just watch with subtitle. It's gonna help you a lot. Tip number three, in the test, you should focusing more on the idea or like the bigger picture. Just kind of like get the idea. Okay, what is the paragraph is talking about, rather than focusing on the details or like some words, because like there's so many academic words that you don't understand, so it will just end up wasting your time, and then you will just kind of like lose all the answer too. And tip number four, I would suggest you to listen to like authentic English material on native speaker. Just kind of like I remember back in the day when I was practicing my IELTS test, I was listening to news a lot, like CNN, CBC, Fox News. Sometimes I just listen to the news without paying attention to it. I just want to train my ear to be like so comfortable or like familiar with English. So there is actually one tip which is very important as well, is taking note while listening to the audio in your test. You don't need to write like the whole paragraph, just like write down the keyword, and it's actually very helpful for your answer. Last but not least, consistency is the key. Pick whatever show you like, whatever series you enjoy to watch or listen, and then listen to it consistently for about like 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes a day. And then after like 2 or 3 months, you're gonna see the huge difference with your listening skill, or other like also with your reading or like with your speaking skill as well. You cannot expect to understand everything at the beginning because we are all learners. But you know what? The hard work always pay off for those who put effort in training. And this is the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for us. If you have any helpful tips, please put it in the comment below. Bye bye.